again to the channel. I am here with another product review and skincare video, and today I am going to be reviewing the Pei Mei Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I hope you can see it. Great. So, are you applying your hyaluronic acid to dry skin? If you are, you may be making your wrinkles worse, and in this video I am going to tell you all about my experience using this product and the right way to use it so you don't experience any of the challenges I had using this product. By the way, I have 2 bottles here. I've thrown away up to 6 bottles of this affordable serum. I keep saying affordable. How much is this serum? This serum costs 2,500 naira. Let me turn it well so that you can see it. Yes, this serum in the market goes for 2,500 naira to 3,000 naira depending on where you get it, whether in a skincare shop in the market or in the supermarket. But on a normal day you can get it from 2,500, between the ranges of 2,500 to 3,000. So the Pei Mei Hyaluronic Acid, right, its main function is to keep your skin fresh, hydrated, smoothing fine lines and plump, right? It's a product that is marketed to keep your skin highly moisturized, keep away the dryness from your skin, and lock in moisture for your skin all day. You can use it in the morning and you can use it at night to give you that supple, juicy, hydrated skin all day long, all night long. So the major ingredients here is glycerin and hyaluronic acid, which those two combined, they are classic moisture ingredients that boost hydration for your skin, keeping it highly moisturized and supporting your skin barrier. Now, although I said it's a deeply hydrating and moisturizing serum and that it supports your skin barrier, I want to mention that it is not a miracle worker. It's not going to transform your skin overnight, but I promise you from your first usage you will begin to see a difference in terms of your skin outlook. You would see that it's sort of a bit more moist, especially if you're coming from damaged, really dry skin. You will see that your skin is a bit more moist and more, soothed. Yes, that's another thing I noticed from using this product. So another thing, in addition to the fact that it's soothing, is that it absorbs very fast. It doesn't leave any greasy or difficult to absorb feeling on the surface of the skin, and it pairs very well with most products. It lies very well underneath a moisturizer, underneath an SPF, so you don't have a problem of, oh, whenever I apply this serum on my face and I apply a moisturizer over it, it begins to thicken and form into something else. You would not experience that with this Pei Mei hyaluronic acid. Another thing I need to mention is that once you apply it, you feel an instant softness and suppleness to your skin when you use this product. So now that I've talked about some of the things, like the benefits of the product, I want to talk about some of the things that are not so great about the product, and they're like just, should I say, 10% of all of the overall review. Just 10% is not so positive. One is that it contains paraben. Some people prefer products that do not have that. Also, it contains fragrance. If you're sensitive to products that contain fragrance, the fragrance is very little, but if you're highly sensitive to products that contain fragrance, you may want to stay away from this product. Now, the major downside that I noticed from using this product, even using all of the bottles and the containers of it I've used, is that the hydration sometimes can feel temporary, right? Okay, let me give you an example. Sometimes, especially when I started using it initially, I apply only the hyaluronic acid and I want to just go to bed, right? The hydration tends to feel temporary, so it works best when you layer it with other products. That means after applying it, you'd apply a moisturizing cream or a moisturizing lotion on top of it. That way the moisture benefit that it brings to your skin sort of lasts much longer. Now, another thing I want to mention is, how do you use it? Now, do not apply hyaluronic acid to dry skin. When you get out of the shower, you don't want to wait or pat your face completely dry before you apply this. It works best when you apply it to damp skin, and then, you know, smoothing it in. Look at my skin. I said I've used 6 bottles, more than 6 bottles of this. 1, is affordable. 2, it actually gets the job done with consistency. I'm sure many people who have used this can testify to that. So lastly, I want to talk about who this product is really good for. I think this product is really good for people who have sensitive skin, people who are new to introducing serums to their routine, people who want to have like a dewy, glowy finish on their skin. And if you have normal to dry skin types, where you need your skin needs more hydration than most other skin types, this is going to work for you. Also, people who want something that would sit comfortably and not, you know, mess with their makeup would really enjoy using this hyaluronic acid serum from Pei Mei. And I think beyond all of these benefits, the most outstanding one is that it is so affordable, guys. 2,500 naira. Very, very, very affordable. So guys, my overall verdict of this product is that it's a solid hydration product. It will not do magic. Like I said, this is my 6th bottle. This is my 6th to 8th bottle, I believe. I've thrown some of them away. I still have this much product. Can you see? So it's a solid hydration product, very good value for the price point, and it delivers maximum hydration, which is one thing you need to get right if you want to have very healthy looking skin. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, watch my other videos, and I'll see you in my very next one.